Yeah,
These
yeah. The word lick you don't.
pum pum tight.
You are tight? 36 on the earth? And you still tight? You don't have no grip now, no muscle. You can't make body box shuffle.
Fucking outsider. Fucking
Sabrina,
right.
number one, your back has slack. Your back has slack. I mean, hear it from good source. Me hear say even back where things are drop out still, not on toddy.
You're
Me
fucking
nah,
right.
winner, you can't blame me. I want me here.
Come up by you.
Oh my God, girl, I don't know how you live down there, but trust me, I am happy I moved from down there from when I was 13.
13?
Uh-huh.
What do you mean by my life restricted?
Sabrina, them say you have something on the line, but for disconnect you. You have blue movie in your ceiling, that's why TikTok can restrict you.
What do you mean by my having on my ceiling?
Your little AC one change though, the color change, and yellow gone to. Them say anytime white I go to yellow.
But now I change it until it stop work.
Eh, it's
But
still
now I
a,
change it till it stop work.
it's still a working, it's a fifth and AC.
And
It
me a
best.
freeze.
Yeah, we are what?
Freeze. Me have my comforter. Me a freeze.
Free stop. Free, me and you know so the AC one fix.
Me a freeze.
A decoration. Your AC the only AC me sit trip on the inside.
Me gonna give a set of
I own
bucket.
in your house.
It's the banana house. AC on running.
Where the remote?
Right here.
But now work. Just stand you stand up. So you stand up on your bed. For turn on your AC.
But I don't even know what for turn. Because I don't know I get restricted for a while ago, you know. But TikTok, I want big hypocrite, you know. Oh,
Blasted. Blasted. Either your school hairstyle though. What that mean? What this mean? What this mean?
that T 36. I look like 16.
What's that?
I look like 16. Clock it there. Aye.
Anything
So
you do,
what
you
happened?
Eh?
What happened? Not gonna lie, without you, the app bored. Everybody a fall off, drop off.
I lie.
You gotta stay by yourself.
Hallelujah. I remember one day I was walking in a crowd and I got battery.
Dog.
So walk one girl, walk one on the other hand. Your little place look comfortable though.
I'm a
Just like
freezing.
foreign.
Freezing. Freezing.
Yeah, free still. I reach light in the pan.
But I don't talk them something there.
Come to know you're freezing a sun and a Franklin tongue there.
I pay a light bill.
No man, you're rich. You take somebody at JPS.
I pay a light bill, I pay a water bill.
Your man drive the orange truck, though, and him dip on the light post regular.
I don't have a man
You know the man.
celebrating.
Then you go home alone. You don't want somebody for run off into the sunset with.
I mean, I go home the 2 hour alone.
Me and you now go home 25 days at Jamaica in my bed.
Somebody didn't know the boy no want you.
No, Brina, it's not about the boy wanting me. It's about what I want. Me have go for my goal. Me have go for my dreams. My dream not for want me. Me want my dream.
But now, the background look good.
Bree.
What did you know? What that?
My work can clean up.
But say you look like you better hold a subject leader and tape them up. What that? Why you must always do them something there? It's trying to come from the road with me, look, sir.
Bree, what wrong with me? I know that me name is well covered. Oh.
No, no, that I nudge my teeth. Sit down, sit down.
You know, say, and I'm an outfit and they're teaching and they're reading.
I know, wicked. The people over your life tell us they like it, though.
Honestly, them always tell me the good things, them man, and them keep me going.
They're wicked,
They would never tell me a lie. From come out them, wow, I feel special.
Left breast hurt me. What that mean?
What do you want your chest suffer?
Left breast hurt me.
Then green eye.
Oh, my get turned on.
At the mouth, them know I affect you. At the mouth, them know.
I like figure it out, buff teeth.
Then your kiss I go out the door.
Better have a kiss. Shebada, oh, look. Do you take it?
Somebody has sent me request hide.
Boy, go suck your mother, boy. Big thinking Shebada over here upon live.
You're pretty, me that suck your old, me that suck the cheese off of your cocky and you send me request. Move on from yourself, go clean your teeth. Go clean your teeth. Your teeth ugly. My body think like your mouth.
Yeah, body boy,
Bottom
wanna
think
fuck
like
you.
your mouth. Man supposed to do me. My band for take hold. Where you do for my life?
You go out girl like real and you go take fuck your body boy. Lick
Are
out
you
your
me a
mother,
wait
boy.
pan next? Me a
Body
wait
boy.
pan you.
Suck out your mother.
You. Me a wait pan you.
Lick out your mother,
I
boy.
want to lick out you. I'm gone.
Shebada, I must say the request him see your name now and then put on a filter. Not for them like you.
That's sweet. Him said the man have me over here, so him call you a man.
What him say? What him say?
You know him call you a man. Mr. Green call you a man, my voice one trembling, but me have to keep it serious. Mr. When they tell me forgot to post him.
Nah, like, I have to go wash my face and bathe before I come live tomorrow. Come like me a slow, everything a pass me. Me never hear. Add him back.
Yeah.
Man, why would I call me a man? I saw over here so terrible.
Yeah, the boy says he's a man.
Feel away.
Why you feel away from?
He looks like a man.
Yeah, but you look it.
I don't. I look like a man.
You look like a cool youth.
I don't look like a man. Shebada, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm not going to tolerate this.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't come out with your small water.
Water can go in the camera. How you want in it?
I may have knowledge. You have wisdom. You have understanding. Eh?
You're the worst teacher. Your class, your student, them come.
The whole of my students, them are old.
Oh,
Yeah. The word lick you don't.
boom tight.
You are tight? 36 on the earth. Are you still tight? You don't have no grip now, no muscle. You can't make body box shuffle.
Fucking outside. Fucking right.
Number one, your back has slack. Your back has slack. I mean, hear it from good source. Me hear say even back where things are drop out still. Not on toddy.
You're fucking right.
Winner, you can't blame me. I want me hear from people who you're involved with. Them say, of course, them ever see an open door from back where your back has slack.
Such a me at 36 was supposed to be big by now.
By what? To the rate at how you did go, I think it would be get bigger by 30.
The body, you know, I have to fuck with Vaseline.
Because your mind tell you say you're tight and the tightest thing.
The body cannot go in. Me a fear wonder what is.
It can't go in. Sabrina, it can't go in. Una girl love fall on a answer on a hole. Una girl love fall on a fist on a hole. Me not ask you. Yeah. Me not ask you to but it can't.
I have lubricant. I have Vaseline. I didn't have none of them. They may draw for something with like an ear oil or grease coming like tear up.
Dishwashing liquid.
It don't matter, but something have to help all the time.
Rina, if me never hear, I would have believe you. But you may hear from good sources. Eh? Them say, are you alone have a slackbackers?
Don't disrespect me like that. I was tight.
Yeah. Somebody say you're tight when you're dry.
One of the blood clot. In a bucket.
Yeah.
Me don't stay like some girl. Me don't stay like some girl. I'ma tell you that. You have some girls stay so for true when them dry, but as soon as them start get wet.
Them slack.
Slack.
You know about it, I feel like you repeat yourself. Come here.
No, Shebada, remember say my place.
No, you know to tell me people me get here.
What you say?
When my people me get here to hold my tight. You know, say every time I got doctor for slip me.
Shebada, you all big and rev out and down out and wrap up and wrinkle. Not the boy you all tight.
Come here. Remember the last
Not
time?
the boy you tight.
No, me never say you're wrong, but come here.
But they
Remember the last time I used to sing at the bar? I used to sit up on the stool. The one gentleman in a tuxedo jump
But get restricted.
Yeah, you.
Me.
Yeah, hang up.
End the live?
Yeah. Lad. Just as it I get at so. Boy, me I tell you say TikTok she's something else. Eh? Truck wife. She has something else. You love your truck man though. You all name yourself. So all the boy they left you mad out, you know. You know? What you mean truck man wife? Yeah, well, you can help the man show engine oil. Eh? Yeah, well, you can help him wipe up grease. You name yourself, so I bet you the boy family them not like you. You spend the boy money, you know. Make you talk about truck man wife. And you would have multiple mates. You know, say from a still yes to the name of bad me. You would have multiple mates out the road, you know. Yes, I do. I tell you, man. I tell you. I tell you, I don't like the name. You're too boastful. I don't like the name. Yeah.
I have to be on this live real thirsty. I can't drink a bottle of water.
And then policy, what you going to do? You know, when a bar, you're not going to go drink water, you're going to drink it on TikTok. Eh?
No, but you have to teach me. Me see you take up your watch out, me get restricted again.
Nobody come back, Brina. Do. Nobody. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Brina, go on your bed. Go on your bed. I can't stomach that little girl. Brina, go on your bed. I say it hurt me. I say my mother rated them a hypocrite. Look how them nearly make Brina win.